Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to recover deleted page on Facebook. I'm gonna give you two methods. The first one, using Facebook settings. If your page was deactivated, you can reactivate it via the Facebook app. Open the Facebook app, tap the hamburger icon, which is the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section, then tap on Pages. You'll be directed to a page where you can see your deactivated page. Tap on View next to Reactivate and then tap Reactivate option below your page name. Once you tap Reactivate, your Facebook page will be restored. The second method is using Facebook support. If you can't find the option to reactivate your page through settings, you can reach out to Facebook support for assistance. Go to the Facebook Help Center, fill out the form with your deleted page URL, a detailed description of the issue, and a screenshot of your deleted page if available. After filling out the form, tap on Send to submit your request. Wait for Facebook's team to review and respond to your request. It might take a few days for them to get back into you. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.